ever wondered how engineers design buildings or how astronomers predict the motion of planets? Well, there's a mathematical tool that plays a crucial role in these processes, and many others, called trigonometry. Dive into the world of triangles and angles, where the magic of trigonometry comes alive. It's a branch of mathematics that studies the relationships between the sides and angles of triangles. But why triangles, you might ask? Well, triangles are the simplest geometric figure that can define a space. They're the building blocks of the world around us, and understanding them is key to understanding the world itself. At the heart of trigonometry are three basic functions: sine, cosine, and tangent. Each of these functions is a ratio that relates two sides of a triangle to an angle. Starting with the first, the sine of an angle, often shortened to sin, is defined as the ratio of the length of the side opposite the angle to the length of the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse being the longest side of a right triangle, the one opposite the right angle. Next up, the cosine of an angle, or cos, is the ratio of the length of the side adjacent to the angle to the length of the hypotenuse. Lastly, the tangent of an angle, you guessed it, tan, is the ratio of the length of the side opposite the angle to the length of the side adjacent to it. These functions might seem abstract, but they're incredibly practical. They're the key to unlocking problems like finding the missing sides or angles of a triangle, determining the distance between 2 points, or even figuring out the direction of a vector. But the applications of trigonometry go beyond geometry. It's a fundamental tool in fields like engineering, physics, and astronomy. Engineers use it to design buildings and bridges, sailors and pilots use it to navigate, and astronomers use it to predict the motion of planets and stars. Even waves, whether they're light, sound, or water waves, can be understood through trigonometry. So, whether you're looking at the stars, designing a skyscraper, or just trying to understand the world around you, trigonometry is an essential tool. It's the language of the universe, spoken in the dialect of triangles and angles. And once you understand it, you'll see the world in a whole new light. To summarize, trigonometry is a branch of mathematics dealing with the relationships between the sides and angles of triangles. Its basic functions are sine, cosine, and tangent, which are ratios that relate two sides of a triangle to an angle. These functions are crucial for solving a wide variety of problems, from geometry to astronomy, making trigonometry an essential tool in understanding and interacting with the world around us.